In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a background color in Canva. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. To change a background color for any of the design you're working on, here I am on a thumbnail document type, a YouTube thumbnail document type. To change the background color, this color now, because when you open a fresh document, it's going to be this white background that you'll be greeted with for any editor you're working on, whether it's video, website, for any design type you're working on. Once you open a blank new page, you're going to be greeted with this white background. So to change the background color, just click on the background, make sure the background is selected. So this editing floating bar comes up. You will see here where it says background color. You're going to click on the color and you have options to select different colors of your choice. You have the default solid colors and you have the default gradient colors. If you're going to go for the default gradient color, let's pick this one and click out. You can come back into this gradient color and click into it like so, and you have the options to add in 10 more colors by just clicking this plus sign. You can come into any of the color and tweak the color into something else. You see how that is changing. You can change the style of how the color looks like. Let me know if you have any questions. Do have a good one.